Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we're going to be showing you how to make eggs with garlic chili sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well first of all, thanks for watching. If this is your first time watching It's Only Food with Chef John Politte, do me a favor, go down to that corner, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Well, I go through phases, just like everybody else probably does, where I find a great breakfast or a great lunch or a sandwich or a burger or something, and I just stick with it for a long time. Well, I have found this egg with chili garlic sauce is something that I really like right now, and I'm eating it quite a bit, so I want to share it with you. So let's head into the kitchen and see what our ingredients are. Very simple, very quick, very easy to make. 1 egg, a little bit of peanut butter, a little bit of chili garlic sauce or Sambal Oelek, and a piece of bread, or we're going to toast. There's absolutely no prep to this. We're going to head into the kitchen and start cooking it right now. Like I said, this is a very simple, very quick and easy breakfast to make. I got our pan going, a little bit of oil in there. You see our peanut butter and our garlic chili sauce off to the side. And then over here, I've got our toaster. I'm gonna go ahead and put the bread down. We're gonna fire up this egg and get this going. That shell out of there. Now you can cook the egg up, you can cook this egg over easy, over medium, you can scramble it, you can do whatever you want with it. I'm going to put a card right here of a video I made a long time ago on how to make eggs, or how to cook eggs. Feel free to go ahead and click on that after the video. But here we go. I'm going to cook this over easy, so we're just going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and turn the heat off, waiting for our toast to go. There we go, toast is up. This is like a crazy peanut butter and jelly. You can put as much peanut butter on here as you want, and you can put as much hot sauce on here as you want. It's up to you, but I really urge you to try this out. Spread it all there. Must slide that egg. Whoop. Slide the egg right on there. That's it. We're going to take some beautiful photos of this for social media. Then we're going to share those videos on our timeline with some groovy music, and we're going to be right back to taste this. Don't go away. Alright, there it is. You got that yolk shot in there. You got that layer of peanut butter and that layer of hot sauce in there. Hit it with a little bit of garnish with the parsley and a little bit of dotting with some sriracha. We're going to move that tripod over and we're going to get our tasting shot. Okay, well there we go. Another shot right there with the split. Got the yolk and that sauce and the peanut butter. Now we're going to give it a try. The aroma is fantastic. You can smell the peanut butter. You can smell the hot sauce on there. Now we got the creaminess of that egg just dripping. And then we've got the texture of the bread is toasted, so it's a little bit crisp. And then we got the smoothness of the peanut butter. And we're going to have that little bit of heat from the hot sauce. Man, that is so good. I cannot explain how good it is. You might think it's weird, you might think I'm a freak, but that peanut butter and that chili garlic sauce go so well together, and the smoothness of that egg and the richness of the peanut butter make it all come together on that nice piece of toast. Give it a try. You will find out that it is fantastic. Well, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like this video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think, or if you've tried it before, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and then share this video with everybody that you know. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.